Hey guys, this is Brendan from LemWatch. And in this video, we're talking about something that most teams don't realize until it's too late. Common mistakes that people make while using StatusCake that actually lead to downtime going unnoticed, delayed responses, or even false alerts. Because here's the truth. Most outages don't happen because monitoring tools fail. They happen because monitoring is set up incorrectly. So today, we'll walk you through the biggest mistakes, why they happen, how they affect your website, and how to fix them. StatusCake is a powerful monitoring tool. It can track uptime, performance, server health, and global availability. But like any monitoring platform, it's only as good as the way it's configured. Many teams install it, set basic alerts, and assume they're fully protected. And that's where problems start. Right, so let's look at the common mistakes. Number one, monitoring from only one location. This is probably the biggest mistake. Most users set up uptime monitoring for just one test location. So why does this happen? People want a quick setup, so they accept default settings. But here's the problem. If downtime occurs only in a specific region, like Europe or Asia, a single location check might miss it completely. Or worse, you might even get false alerts due to temporary network issues in that region. So how to fix it? The correct approach is to enable multiple monitoring locations, like I have here. So ideally, use at least 3 to 5 global test regions. This ensures that you get accurate alerts and avoid false positives. It also helps detect regional outages that affect real users. Mistake number two is using default alert settings. Another very common issue is relying only on basic email alerts. Why does this happen? Because default settings feel sufficient during your initial setup. But in real situations, emails often get missed, delayed, or buried in inboxes. So what's that result? It results in your team don't respond quickly when downtime actually occurs. You fix this by setting up an alert escalation. A smarter alert structure would look something like your first alert would be an email notification, a second alert, a Slack or messaging app, and then thirdly, you can escalate it to an SMS or an urgent channel. This ensures that critical issues never go unnoticed. The third mistake is monitoring only from your homepage. Many users only monitor their homepage. Why? Because it's the easiest page to test. But the homepage is really where downtime actually hurts the business most. Real problems usually happen in your checkout pages, login systems, APIs, or even payment gateways. So your site may appear online while key functions are broken and left unnoticed. And this fix is quite simple. Monitor your critical pages, not just the home page. You can set up uptime checks for your conversion pages, authentication endpoints, APIs, and payment flows. This gives a much more accurate picture of real availability. Next, we look at ignoring performance monitoring. Some teams only care about uptime alerts, but slow performance often leads to downtime like experiences for users. This happens because teams focus only on site down alerts rather than performance trends. But in reality, performance degradation usually happens before full outages. You fix this by using StatusCake's performance monitoring features. You can track your trends over time. If load times gradually increase, that's an early warning sign. Addressing these trends early prevents major downtime later. For context, this is how we do this in LemWatch, which is the tool we use ourselves. With LemWatch, the focus isn't just on detecting downtime, it's on reducing monitoring complexity so teams can respond faster. It simplifies alert setups, centralizes monitoring data, and provides clearer visibility into issues. The goal is simple. Monitoring should not just tell you that something is wrong, it should help you fix it quickly and confidently. So here's the key takeaway. Most downtime issues don't happen because monitoring tools fail. They happen because monitoring setups are incomplete. Avoiding these mistakes by using multiple locations, setting proper alerts, monitoring critical pages, and tracking performance can dramatically improve your reliability. If you're already using StatusCake, fixing these configurations can immediately strengthen your monitoring. And if you're evaluating monitoring tools, understanding these principles will help you choose wisely. If you want to see this approach in full, LemWatch is linked below.